Looking for a book that takes you on a journey to the future through the lens of African culture and mythology? Look no further than Afrofuturism by Oran Z. This stunning book is filled with never-before-seen works of art that explore the intersection of technology, Black identity, and the African diaspora. With each turn of the page, you'll be transported to a world where spaceships soar above the savanna, robots dance to the beat of traditional drums, and ancient customs take on new forms in the digital age. But Afrofuturism is more than just a collection of beautiful images. It's a deep dive into the cultural, social, and political implications of this exciting artistic movement. You'll learn about the history of Afrofuturism, its roots in African American literature and music, and its impact on contemporary art and culture. Whether you're an art lover, a science fiction fan, or simply curious about the world around you, Afrofuturism is must-see and read. Get your copy today and explore the future like never before. Thank you, Brother Oran Z.